I got the bad feeling about this. Okay, so the pack is open too. What is this? Okay. It's not open. What? No. No, it's not budging. Why is the okay, wait. I'm gonna turn it like this. Oops. Okay, finally. Now. Okay, what? Oh my god, so much plastic. Okay, we got the keyboard. Okay. Coco Sports. There's a girl with a gun. Okay, let's unbox the keyboard now. Okay, no tapes, no nothing. Let's see. Okay, we open it. Okay, there is a tape. Okay. We're opening. There's the tape right here. Now we're gonna open it. Okay, the presentation. Coco Sports K12. Oh my god. Pretty cool. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Look at this beauty. Okay, let's oh my god. So this keyboard is so good. They have braided wires. The packaging, but the box.